Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Castleberry, and I'm here today to show you a video of how easy and fun it is to get to our virtual online book fair. I am so excited for you to see it today, how easy it is. You have so many more options than we normally do in person. So I know we were all disappointed that we couldn't have an in-person book fair, but I am excited for you to see all of the options that you have. The book fair runs from now through October 23rd, so you have plenty of time to do some shopping, make some wish lists, and get those orders in. Here is the link that will go straight to the book fair webpage. I'm going to show you how that works in just a moment, and I'm also going to put this link in the email so that you don't have to write it down. You can simply click on it. Okay, so let's go take a look. Now, here is what they're considering our book fair homepage. It doesn't look like much because it isn't, but this is just where you can get started, and then I'm going to show you how to actually go to the book fair. But this is to ensure that when you shop, you are linked to our school, and we get the 25% rewards for all shopping that is done through our website. Remember that if you do a minimum book purchase of $25, you will receive free shipping, and that those materials, anything that you purchase, comes straight to your home, free and easy. Before I show you where to go for the Shop the Store button, so as you scroll down here, this is the button you're going to click to actually do some shopping. I wanted to quickly show you this button that is so fun called Shop the Virtual Fair. And when you get to it, you do not have to sign in. It gives you some options here. The video is great. It's going to show you some book previews, some author interviews, things like that. But I wanted you to see this cool virtual book fair that you can look through since we can't be there in person. You can click and drag it around to see the whole thing. You can click elementary school here to get specific bookcases of elementary, specific ones for middle. And then, of course, you can zoom in. I can't get to my magnifying glass right now, but you can zoom in with the magnifying glasses down here in order to see more of those books up close. So feel free to have some fun with that. And then in order to go shopping, you're going to go to this middle section of our book fair homepage and click Shop the Store. And once you get there, it's going to specifically tell you that you are here to support Concord Christian School. Woohoo! And if you don't want to create an account, you do not have to. And then you can do shopping. And the first thing you'll see is books under $5. Hundreds of titles, books under $5. What a great deal. And then as you scroll down, you're going to see specific places to shop for preschool, elementary, and middle. Great way to get started. You can also shop by grade, which is great for aunts, uncles, grandparents. They don't know specifically what your student would like. They're welcome to shop by grade and see the favorites. And then, of course, you have all the filters at the top. You can go to the age or grade level this way, format and subject. Of course, shopping by series and characters. We all know the favorites of our students, and as you can see, there are a lot of those listed here. And then you have featured books and educational if you are interested in any of those things that will help your students at home. So that's our book fair website. I hope you will have a lot of fun exploring and making those wish lists. And thank you, thank you, thank you for your support of the CCS Library. It means so much to me, and I am so grateful and blessed to be at Concord Christian School. Have a great fall break.